going on, guys? Today is my brother's birthday, so we're gonna be attempting some donuts today. Right now we're headed to Mexico. I'll get back to you guys once we get there. Well, here she is, guys, still looking the same. We ordered 2 bumpers. One came the wrong year and one never showed up, so we're just gonna wait till spring to get it all, the whole front end nice and painted silver, so it could be looking fresh. On the plus though, we did go ahead and install some nice thermal tips. If you guys remember, the muffler fell off and we chopped the other one off. The wheels. Anyways, right now I'm gonna show you guys what we need to do to take off the ABS. You need to pull the fuse. Go ahead and open this and pull this fuse off right here. Well, there you go, guys, it's off. It's not the easiest thing to do. It's pretty big. You're gonna need a flathead. Anyways, all you're gonna have to do now is start the truck up and turn traction off. Now traction and stability control is off. Time to do some donuts. As you can see now, your ABS light and your traction light should be on. Also, don't mind the check engine light. Those are the ignition coils. They should be coming in spring or summer. Here's a little startup of the full straight pipe from the cat back. Sounds real good. Yes, the truck is already pretty warm before you guys ask. Thing sounds nice. Let's see how it do. We're not gonna go too crazy though. It's like 1 or 2 just to see if it'll slide. Ain't trying to mess the truck up. Nope. It's smoking a little bit, but that all-wheel drive ain't letting it. Oh well. We gone. We out. Hell nah. That all-wheel drive not letting it.
No, I feel like I was sliding though.
Yeah, you was sliding a little bit, but it's straight. Sheesh. Spun off 4.
Oh no.
So might as well, when you're done, throw it back in. Go on about your business. Yeah, it's good. ABS should be back on. That's fine. ABS still on. Once you get the drive in, ABS should turn back off and traction. Well guys, that's the end of the video. I know those weren't the best donuts, but we just wanted to see how it will do with all-wheel drive. Hopefully this truck will be done pretty soon with everything we said we were going to do to it. hopefully in spring or summer, not sure. More GXP content coming soon, as well as spring or summer. You know, it's just really cold out here in the Midwest right now. But good things take time. Anyways, like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.